The largest border crossing between North Macedonia and Kosovo has been temporarily closed again Wednesday due to a wildfire. According to the North Macedonian Interior Ministry, it said the road leading to the Blaise Ellis Han border crossing in both directions was closed to traffic due to the reignition of the fire that broke out last weekend on the North Macedonian side. The statement noted that measures are being taken in coordination with relevant institutions to extinguish the fire. Citizens were urged to avoid the area until the fire is extinguished and traffic returns to normal. Meanwhile, firefighting efforts are ongoing at a landfill site near the North Macedonian capital, Skopje, where a fire broke out midday. The Blaise Ellis Han border crossing had been closed Sunday due to a forest fire, but was later reopened. The North Macedonian government declared a 30-day state of crisis across the country Monday because of the increasing number of forest fires.
Prenemo il dies capiluar të digjet në mënyrë intenzive të humbja në respekt krahasisht me të shihet typika përfshirë.
Ova je otpad. Ova ne je deponija. Deponijata je pozadini. Otpad.
Otpad za stara železnica.